Acme Educational Publications. Number 1. Educational Group. Today we have an exciting exercise for you. Quietly say the name of each picture. In the square, write the number of sounds that you hear. Great job! 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 Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.